All right. So exactly 8 p.m. So we will start now. So welcome to our CFX EA Development Program orientation on how to use an expert advisor. This is automated trading systems built for discipline, risk management, and growth. So, by the way, my name is Carl Fajardo, also known as CarlFX, and I am the founder of CFX programs. We have not just focusing on EA, we have also education for manual traders, copy trading, and also ito yung pinaka-current or latest program na ino-offer natin as of this moment, yung ating expert advisor or EA or AI trading or robot. So, kung gusto nyo pong magkaroon ng other idea about dun sa ino-offer natin, much as well, makinig kayo mabuti para sa ating mga pag-uusapan tonight. So, okay. So, this is our introduction. The CFX A Development Program is a specialized initiative designed for traders who wants to level up from manual trading to smart automated system. Within this program, we research, design, and develop CFX branded expert advisors or EA that focus on three key elements: discipline, risk management, and long-term consistency. Okay. Instead of using random EAs with no clear logic or support, every CFX is built from real trading experience, starting from manual trading strategy, tested throughout back testings and forward testing, and this refined in live market condition. So, yung EA na mga na-develop natin guys is not just basta lang siya nabuo lang, no? So, we tested from manual trading for several years and we decided to convert it to automation para mas mabilis or yung process ay mapapadali natin yung process on how we can engage in the market. And sobrang napakahalaga kasi para sa akin, no? Even in my manual trading, sobrang napakahalaga nung discipline and control, risk management, and yung pinaka-goal natin in terms of long-term consistency. Okay? This is not just about selling EAs. It's about providing traders with a structured system they can trust, grow with, and use part of the a serious long-term trading plan. So we're not just selling it, no. So because in terms of protecting in our that the system that we created, nagkaroon tayo ng idea that ito yung isa sa pinaka the best way para ma-protect tayo dun sa mga pinagpaguran natin, mga pinaghirapan natin. The same time, makapag-provide tayo ng mas maganda pang innovation in the future, magandang development, and makapag-create pa tayo ng mas malilinaw pang ways kung how we can leverage the market. Okay, this is our introductory. Okay, siyempre meron tayong risk disclaimer. Trading, forex, CFD, and other financial instruments involves a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance and backtesting do not guarantee for future results. All CFXE and tools are for educational and informational purposes only and do not constitute financial advice. You are fully responsible for your own trading decision and risk management. CFXEA development program and its team are not liable for any losses arising from use of our EA tools or information. Okay, this is our disclaimer. So hopefully, clear po sa inyo guys to. So CFX development program objective. So through the CFX development program, our goals is created a complete ecosystem for traders, including EA, EAs with built-in risk management, no martingale, no greed. System that can be aligned with prop firm style trading. Tools that support busy traders who have limited time to monitor charts, a community and education backing every tools, not just set and forget approach. Okay, so ang pinaka main objective kasi natin dito, that's one of the reasons no kung bakit tayo nakapag-create or nakabuo ng ganitong program is unang-una na inspired ako no to create an other option than using the martingale, the hedge, the grid system na mga EA na na-introduce din sa akin nung when at times na nagsisimula pa lang din naman ako. And I find out through my manual trading journey, I created several strategies that hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng mga common strategy like martingale or grid na mas safer dun sa account natin because pag naunawaan mo kasi talaga yung trading and you're using this kind of system, especially martingale and grid and hedging, are those EAs are for me no, mataas yung risk niya pero mababa yung reward. So ang goal natin is yes, we will risk no kasi hindi naman pwedeng hindi tayo mag-risk kasi no risk, no gain. But ang gusto natin mas ma-leverage natin yung risk natin that we will equivalent to a better reward. Magkaroon man tayo ng setup ng 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, much better. And kung meron man tayong other option no or way para mas makapag-leverage tayo ng magandang position in the market, we will do that, no? Rather than we are holding too much negative on our account tapos in return of minimal reward. So, kaya ako na-inspired to create, no? So, yung mga nagawa ko kasing strategy sa manual trading, syempre noon, tinest ko naman siya for several years now. And nagkaroon ako ng idea on how to automate it. And ngayon, no, nagagamit na natin siya sa automation. And also, since I'm also a prop firm funded account, prop firm trader, I'm a funded trader ng prop firm, I also aligned, no, yung mga EAs natin, nag-create tayo ng EAs that aligned dun sa rules and policies, no, na hindi natin mababiolate yung mga pinrovide nilang mga rules and objective dun sa kanilang mga prop firm. So, kaya yung mga EAs natin, hindi man lahat, no, na-tested na, pero we have the several EAs that working sa prop firm that continuously making a good profit as well as nakakapag-manage tayo ng magandang setups and magandang result, no? And also, in terms of for those peoples na sobrang busy talaga, no? Meron kasi talagang mga tao that gusto talaga nila mag-trade. But they have not enough hindi sapat yung time nila, hindi sapat yung knowledge nila on to trade their own account and maybe this tool no makakatulong ito sa kanila and I hope dun sa mga gumagamit na ay nakakatulong talaga siya. And also nag-create tayo dito ng community that hindi lang gagamit lang basta ng EA no. We providing education on how properly use it. And also ma-support yung mga needs, yung mga concerns as fast as we can, no? Kasi yun yung pinaka sobrang napaka-importante because ano ba yung tinitrade natin? Money natin yun, di ba? We need to protect it from the market. Kaya as much as possible, even kahit medyo gabi na, even morning and so on, I have the time, no? Or available ako to answer. So automatically sumasagot talaga ako. Because I know yung feeling na money mo yun eh, naglagay ka ng pera kailangan mong i-protect yun, no? Yun yung pinaka main objective or purpose natin. That's why we created the community, no? And hindi lang basta siya community, we share yung experience ng other user ng EA natin that providing also information. And from there also, nakakapag-create tayo ng magandang feedback, magandang adjustment, and pwede pa nating improve yung mga EA natin dun sa mga different experiences ng different users natin. Okay, so that's our objective. And yung program overview natin, okay? So, ito lang sobrang napakahalaga nito guys, no? Magkaroon tayo ng complete ecosystem for expert advisor from trading idea, live out, and then automated. And then covers the full process, okay? So, ito yung pinaka naging process guys nung paano ko siya nagawa or paano ko na-convert yung manual trading strategy natin to automation. So ngayon, sobrang napakahalaga guys nung manual trading strategy. Because sabi ko nga no, even kahit magaling ka na mag-code no, hindi ka pala, wala ka pang idea on how to trade, but you know how to code. So even kahit sobrang napakalupit mo ng mag-code, pag wala ka talagang idea on how to do manual trading, hindi ka makakabuo ng solid na foundation o magandang setup in trading, especially sa EA, no? Alright? So EAs are built with risk management. First, no martingale, no greed, prop firm style rules and control. Designed for busy traders who want structured rule-based automation instead of emotional manual trading. So sabi ko nga no, meron talaga kasing mga traders na yes, they have the knowledge, they have the capital, pero in terms of sila na mismo yung nag-trade sa sarili nilang account, they getting more emotion, no? So minsan nagkakaroon sila na trigger yung kanilang pagiging greed. Nagre-revenge trade sila and hindi na nila alam kung paano i-manage yung account nila, no? So another thing is includes onboarding tutorial, support, lifetime updates, community access, and future training on how to build. Ito pala yun. Sa future pala to, no? So nilagay ko din pala dito. So, once kasi, no? So currently, I am not, maybe hindi pa ako talaga yung tipo ng, I'm not the person, the perfect person to teach you on how to code on your own, no? Pero maybe in the future, no, magawa natin siya. Okay? CFX, multiple CFX tailored for gold, synthetics, and crypto. So we have different assets na tinitrade, no? From gold, forex, synthetics, and crypto. Okay? Clients choose a EA and set up that best fits their style, risk level, and goals. So ito yung pinaka-overview ng ating system, no? So, so ito yung expert advisor development. Okay, so the CFX EA development program delivers carefully engineered expert advisor for traders who want structured automated trading instead of emotional. Hmm, Halos parehas lang to nung kanina, no? So, real trading strategy tested through backtesting, forward testing, and refined live market condition. Our goal to give traders professional grade tools with clear rules, built-in risk management, and simple controls so they can focus on their plan, not on watching charts all day. So, ang expert advisor guys, no, ito kasi yung sa tingin ko ay makakatulong talaga sa bawat isa sa atin. Because someone, para yung ano eh, yung naka-invention ng aircon, yung naka-invention ng electric fan, computer. 'Di ba? If ikaw yung user, hindi naman ikaw yung tipo na parang kailangan mo mag-invent ng sarili mo para makagamit ka or ma ma-satisfy yung needs mo based dun sa kailangan mong sample yung aircon, no? Pag sobrang init, hindi mo naman pag naka-feel ka ng init, 'di ba? Kailangan mo mag-on ng aircon. Hindi naman para gumawa ka pa ng sarili mong aircon tapos bumuo ka ng sarili mo and so on. Sobrang napakamahabang process nun and wala tayong lahat ng idea nun. Same or similar thing with the expert advisor, no? So someone's develop the formula on how the EA will works on the live market and ikaw, no, as a person or an individual na gusto mo din gamitin yung system, bibili ka na lang. Gagamitin mo na lang siya and hindi mo na kailangan magkaroon pa ng sarili mong idea on how to build an EA. Hindi mo na kailangang matuto na mismo ikaw mismo mag-trade manually because expert advisor na yung magti-trade para sa'yo. And also, sobrang napakahalaga na maintindihan mo rin, lagi kong inuulit-ulit dito about yung risk, no? Because no, I made my mistake for the past, no? Kasi meron din akong naging mistake during sa time na yon and sobrang natutunan ko rin, no? Kaya dala-dala ko siya lagi. Lagi kong mine-mention yung risk management is sobrang napakahalaga talaga nun. And purpose built AA for gold, forex, and synthetics basic rules, ongoing upgrades and improves based on the data's community results. So ito yung na-mention ko kanina. Okay, so we built high quality, easy to use tools designed for disciplined trading and better user experience. So we proud, no? So ako mismo, no? Proud ako sa sarili ko that nakikita ko yung mga tao na gumagamit ng ating mga EA na hindi na sila sobrang nahihirapan na gamitin siya, no? Kasi ilalagay mo na lang siya sa BPS and let him run. Yun na yun. I-monitor mo na siya every time. Pwede mong i-monitor sa computer mo, pwede mong i-monitor sa laptop mo. So, sobrang napaka-convenient niya na. So, using our expert advisor and hindi lang siya nagtatapos sa na-build lang natin siya, no? So, through the help of our community's result and observation, nagkaroon tayo ng mga new versions and development para mas mapaganda, palalalo yung ating mga system. Okay, so ito yung timeline, no, ng EA development. So, sabi dito, every CFX EA follows a strict development journey from real manual trading to fully automated execution. We started with a proven manual trading strategy, turned into a clear rules, then move through coding, backtesting, demo, forward testing, and live before it's offered to client. So, bago pa natin, no, kung kaya kung mapapansin niyo I keep on posting kung ano yung update sa mga gagawa nating AI. And yung pinaka backstory, meron siyang backstory guys, may timeline siya. An average, it takes 3 to 5 years of real trading, testing, refining, and monitoring to build a solid setup that can move from manual trading to a reliable automated system. This timeline shows how each AA is tested, refined, and validated to ensure it's structured, risk-aware, and ready for real market conditions. So imagine guys, no, kung ikaw mismo gusto mong magkaroon ka ng sarili mong system, gumawa ng sarili mong at least no para sa akin lang no, yung opinion ko lang naman yun no. And based sa aking paggawa, at least 3 to 5 years. Kasi bago mo masabing solid yung strategy mo in manual trading, hindi mo naman siya ite-test ng isang buwan lang, 2 buwan lang, 1 year lang. Hindi mo masusubukan or hindi mo talaga masasabi na okay na siya hangga't hindi mo nakikita na consistent na siya. And sample dito, from the very beginning, trade manual and find strategy. So kailangan mo munang bumuo, no, ng strategy mo para masabi mo na this one is okay, this one is good. And the next step is write the rules and manual backtest. So after mo makapag-create ka ng strategy on how to you can enter and exit in the market, ngayon, kailangan mong isulat yung rules na yon and try it to do the backtesting. Okay? And now, build confidence and check consistency. So, once na consistent na yung setup mo in manual trading, dun mo kasi mabibuild yung confidence mo. Kasi ulit-ulit mo na lang siyang gagawin. And now, right after that, convert strategy to EA. So, dun mo na siya ilalagay sa next phase na, sa development phase na. So, ngayon, meron kang option. Kung sample, nag-manual trade ka, solid na yung foundation mo, meron ka ng solid strategy and so on and so forth. Ngayon, hahanap ka ngayon ng paraan paano mo mako-convert yung strategy mo to automated. Okay? Kasi araw-araw, paulit-ulit lang naman yung ginagawa mo. Mag-journal ka and so on and so forth. Titingnan mo yung market and so on. So, ang goal kasi natin as a trader is mapagaan, no? Kasi hindi naman habang buhay, dapat lagi kang nakaupo sa market or nakatingin sa chart. Meron kang buhay sa labas. Ang goal natin is let money work for you and consume your time outside, no? So, maybe kung nagsisimula ka pa lang, kailangan mo talaga magbabad, kailangan mong maghanap ng way or paraan para makapag-create ka ng mas magandang setup dun sa setup or trading strategy mo. And right after that, okay, once sample, nakapag-hired ka ng developer, no? Ang developer natin ngayon nagre-range siya ng 500 to 3,000. Depende dun sa logic na ipapa-code mo. USD yun, no? And ngayon, once sample, naka-create ka na ng EA, babacktest mo naman siya ulit, no? Ibabacktest mo siya at least 5 years, 3 years, 2 years. Depende dun sa timeline na gusto mong ma-target. For example, dun sa pinaka-volatile na market condition, kaya niya bang mag-survive dun sa period na yon? Okay? So, from different settings, change up until makuha mo yung setup na gusto mo. Okay? So, the next thing is right after mo siyang okay na yung settings, no? Ngayon, itatry mo naman siya sa live trading and fine tuning. So, dun sa part naman na yun na yung tinatawag nating forward testing. Okay, so sa forward testing, at least para sa akin, 3 to 5 months, kailangan mo siyang ma-observe, no? Na ikaw mismo tumitingin dun sa action niya, tama ba yung data? Okay ba yung movement niya? Nakakasabay ba siya sa market condition, sa trend niya, and so on and so forth. So, sobrang napakahalaga nung process na to. Ito yung talaga yun eh. Okay? 1 to 3 years, i-test mo yung manual trading strategy mo. Okay? Yung 2 years, ilaalaan mo na yun sa development and forward testing. So, dun pa lang guys, sobrang napakatagal na talaga. Okay? Kaya masasabi ko, ako, masasabi ko din that we develop the confidence. Kasi alam ko yung mga ginagawa ko eh. Alam ko yung market condition, ano yung possibilities, ano yung pwede mangyari sa account, and so on. Kasi, kumbaga sa experience na din, throughout the experience. And sobrang napakahalaga at napakaimportante yung part na ito. Okay? So, do you think, no, kung ikaw mismo yung gagawa nito, kaya mo ba siyang gawin? 'Di ba parang ang hirap, iisipin mo lang 3 years. Ngayon, kung bibili ka ng EA, right after mabili mo siya, magagamit mo na yung system, you can make profit na. That's the thing. Okay? So ngayon, kaya I give a lot of values dun sa mga na-develop nating EA because yung pinagdaanan kasi hindi naman siya parang it's a blink of an eye tapos nagawa na siya agad. No, it's not. Hindi siya ganun, no? It takes time, no? Bago tayo nakagawa ng ganung at currently na nagagamit natin siya ngayon. Okay, next slide tayo. So, gusto ko lang namang i-introduce sa inyo, no, yung mga na-develop nating mga EAs, no? So, direct to the point na tayo. Alam naman ninyo to, yung mga na-develop natin. So, from the very beginning up until sa latest natin na mga nagawang EA. Unang-una dito yung ating Pips Breaker EA. Si Pips Breaker is designed to capture clean breakout moves during key market sessions while keeping risk tightly controlled. It focuses on structured entries, fixed risk per trade, and platform-friendly execution so traders can follow a rules-based breakout plan without starting a charge all day. So, yun yung clear description ni Pips Breaker. So, sabi dito sa number 1, Session Smart Breakout Engine for Disciplined Traders. So, kung mapapansin niyo dun sa mga users natin, especially sa Pips Breaker, yung approach na is, yun na yun eh. Direct to the point na. Kung ano yung risk niya, ma-hit man yung SL niya, ma-hit man yung TP niya, ma-hit man yung risk management niya, yung money management niya, that's okay. So, kaya sobrang confidence natin that nakabuild tayo ng ganitong system or EA. No? Helps busy traders trades key breakouts with clear rules and proper style risk control. So, sobrang napakahalaga nito guys dun sa mga taong sobrang busy talaga. So, dun sa part na sample, nandun ka sa, ito kasi yung naging pinaka main objective ko. Personally, no, kaya ako nag-create din ng sarili kong EA, no. Dapat talaga personal, ano ko lang to, consumption, kumbaga. Pero yung pinaka-focus ko kasi talaga nun, what if iniisip ko dati, so nagtuturo ako, gusto kong ma-share din yung knowledge, pero hindi kasi talaga kaya, no? Sa sobrang dami talagang kailangang i-consider at aralin. Hindi lahat kinakaya na aralin talaga siya. Mayroong nagko-continue, mayroong sumusuko, and the rest still naliligaw pa rin. They choose not to uh, make proper risk management and so on. Nagmamadali kasi sila, no? But sa akin kasi, no, based dun sa experience ko, the more na nagmamadali ka, the more kang tumatagal. Okay? Yun yung sobrang napaka-importante nun, no? Kailangan mong mag-stick ka sa kung ano yung plan mo everyday and then just do in the flow, no? Follow ka lang dun sa flow na yon. And lagi yung tandaan, no? Pag the more na nagmamadali ka, mas lalo kang tumatagal. Okay? Yun yung pinaka lagi kong sinasabi ko sa sarili ko. Stay on the plan. Kung ano man yung result each day, accept and move on. Yun lang. Yun yung mga simple rules sa sarili ko. And na-apply natin siya sa Pips Breaker. So, hindi na natin kailangan mag-revenge trading. Hindi na natin kailangan gumamit ng martingale or whatsoever. So, naka-design tayo ng EA that design based kung ano yung personality ko. Actually, this is my personality on how I treat my account, on how I discipline I am, and gusto kong makita ninyo, no, kung paano ba talaga siya gamitin or paano siya nag-work, no? May charge guilty. Merong guilty. Okay, so gaya ng sinabi natin kanina, napag-usapan natin yung process, no? So ginawa ko to manually. Then naka-develop tayo ng automated system and then binak-test natin and nagkaroon tayo ng ganitong result, no? Ang gusto natin mangyari dito is that mangyari yung data na to ay maging similar dun sa forward test natin. Okay? Kasi sobrang napakahalaga nung naiintindihan ninyo yung risk level na ginagawa ninyo. Meron kasi tayong tinatawag na, for example, yung absolute drawdown. Okay? Sobrang napakahalaga nun, no? Kasi kailangan mong maintindihan yon para hindi ka malimitahan sa kung ano yung potential mo. Okay? Meron kasing tinatawag tayong compounding drawdown, which is, for example, each trade. Okay? Each trade, pwede ba ako magsulat dito? Okay, for example, oops, white. Okay? So, each trade, okay, naglo-loss ka ng at least $5. Okay? So, meaning to say, naglo-loss ka sa account mo ng at least 5%. Okay? Realize na to, no? Ito yung realized. Every time nagko-close ka, you're losing 5%. Versus, ito yung tinatawag nating compounding. Every time and then nag-compound yung risk mo, naglo-loss ka na. Pero realize na siya. Meron namang accumulating. Okay? Compounding, meaning to say, close na siya, no? Pero halos similar lang din naman to, hindi naman siya nagkakalayo. Based na lang din siguro kung paano ko to ma-explain. For example, meron ka ding $100, pero naglo-loss ka din ng $5 each trade. Okay? So, nagiging compounding siya pag hindi pa siya naging realized. Ito yung tinatawag nating PNL. Profit and loss unrealized. Ito, realized na to. Hirap magsulat Ibig sabihin, close na yung entry, tapos na. Pero yung ating unrealized, UNR na lang, ibig sabihin nun, hindi pa totally close yung order mo, magre-re-enter ka na naman ng another 5%. Okay? And compound and compound and compound. Okay? Nagdadagdag siya. Ito yung pasok dito yung tinatawag nating martingale. Okay? So, pag umabot kasi sa point na ganun, sobrang dami na ng load ng account mo or entry ng account mo, isang pitik lang ng market, pwede nang ma-wipe out yung fund mo. Unlike dun sa realized, mabilis yung potential ng recovery mo kasi each trade naman, no, kung marunong ka naman umintindi ng risk-reward ratio, mas okay yung realize na agad. Exit mo na siya agad. Okay? Hope it's clear, no? So, hindi naman natin siya sobrang pagtututukan ngayon. And nagbigay lang ako ng sample, no? So, ito yung backtest natin dun sa ating Pips Rigger. And gusto natin makita if this is working dun sa ating forward testing. Okay. Excuse me. So, ito naman yung ating forward test, no? Which is currently ito yung hindi pa to yung pinaka-latest. So, Pips Breaker model account, makita natin dito, the drawdown is 38%, drawdown is 48%, same fund, 500. Okay, same fund. So, nag-run ito ng, wala nga, di natin dito makikita natin, from 2018 to 2020, I guess 2023 to, ay 2025, no? At least 5 years, no? Yun yung growth, yung process niya. So, nakita naman natin yung performance niya ay nag-reflect dun sa forward test natin. Okay? Yung back test are available or nakita natin dun sa forward test natin based dun sa record natin sa MyFX book. So, sobrang napakahalaga na kino-compare to, no? So, for me, this is a data that you must understand, no? So, maraming mga factors na kailangan pang i-consider dyan para mas mapaganda pa yung validation ng ating performance forward test. So, naging okay naman siya and goods, no? Up until now, safe and sound yung ating account. So, this account started from July 17. Yung ating test setup ay we started May, no? Yun yung pinaka start ng development ng program natin ng EA, and now up until now is this account is currently ongoing pa rin. And also this one, ito ata yung isa sa pinaka maswerteng account na na-manage ko, no. So ito yung isa sa kauna-unahang nagtiwala dun sa akin, no. Nag-live agad siya. Sabi niya sa akin, "Coach, sige, i-live mo na agad." So nag-fund lang siya dito ng 300, I guess parang 300 lang yung fund na to talaga. And nung makikita ninyo dito, naging 53% yung drawdown niya. So, umabot kasi sa point na sabi ko, gawin nyo munang $100 yung funds niyo because meron tayong na-encountered na error dun sa ating system that mas maganda kung sakaling maubos man yung $100, meron pa tayong pang-backup. No? So, meron kasi tayong error na finix dun pero naayos na din naman natin siya. But, swerte because during September, parang papasok nito yung October, nagkaroon ng gain ng sobrang laki yung fund niya because of that error, no? So, na-withdraw niya yun, maabot ng 2,900 na yung withdraw niya sa capital niya na 300 USD. So, currently, ongoing pa rin yung account na to and safe and sound yung account niya na 300 sa Pips Breaker. So, making good profit and consistent yung kanyang account. Okay? So, this is a live account na to. So we have also here our Pips Factory. Ito yung pangalawang i-develop natin. Pips Factory is focused in a structured, repeatable entries that can be scaled over time. Like an assembly line, it follows a clear process, identify the entry, manage and exit according to predefined rules. This EA is suited for traders who want a systematic way to grow consistent rather than rely on random setups. So, ito yung sobrang napakalaga dito. Assembly line entries for consistent scalable trading, designed for support and repeatable scalable trading process across your favorite market. So, kung mapapansin niyo guys, yung pinaka main strategy talaga, hindi natin siya ipapakita dito. So, wala talaga siyang clear na ano dito kasi iniiwasan natin na magaya yung ating EA setup. Isa yun sa pinaka-major reason natin. No? So, meron lang tayo ditong general idea on how the EA works and ano yung mga naging backtest and forward test natin sa kanya. So, ito naman yung backtest natin sa kanya. So, from 2020 to 2025, maganda naman yung naging growth niya. So, okay. So, yung initial deposit ko dito is $100. Okay, $100 lang to, pero na-test natin siya nagkaroon siya ng growth na, ayan lang. So, 38, no? Yung process niya ay ganito siya. So, currently, naglagay tayo dito ng 1,000 USD. So, nag-start itong system na to. Nagkaroon din to ng trial and error. Actually, this is a second account, no? Kasi yung isang account niya is ni-reset ko siya, no? Because nagkaroon ako ng maling input dun sa setup niya. Okay, so ni-repeat ko siya and nag-continuous na up until now, consistent naman yung account niya. Okay, dire-diretso and currently nasa 60% na siya out of 1,000 na fund niya. Okay? So ito naman yung CFX EA PIPS matrix natin. PIPS matrix EA automates the full workflow, screening the market, signaling potential setup, executing trades, and managing position to target. It's built for traders who want a systematic, repeatable process that can scale across multiple pairs while keeping risk parameters under control. So ito, na-test ko to other currency pairs na nag-work naman siya ng maayos, no? And yung matrix logic on autopilot from scan to take profit. Okay. Ideal for traders who want one system to scan entries and manage multiple pairs automatically. So, okay. So, ito naman yung ating forward test sa kanya, no? So, yung record na ating back test is hindi ko makita. So, kung makita natin dito, nag-growth naman siya ng maabot naman siya dito ng 18% na, no? So, currently, nasa 6% siya. So, naglo-loss siya and still nagre-recover naman siya, no? So, kung nag-i-scale siya paunti-unti, no? Hindi lang to sobrang madaming trade. Hindi siya araw-araw nagtitrade. Based lang sa kung anong ma-hit niyang criteria, yun lang yung iti-trade niya. And yung ating PIPS Navigator is tailored. EA is tailored for navigating gold with precision using structured logic to identify high probability entries and manage risk in a firm style environment. It's ideal for traders who specialize in gold and want discipline, rules-based navigation tools rather than emotional decision making. So, ito kasi design talaga to, na-design ko to sa prop firm guys, no. Ito yung ginamit ko na strategy sa manual trading para maipasa ko yung aking funded account. Kaya eto confident talaga ako na gamitin because sa manual trading ko ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. So, kaya nasabi ko, isa ito sa main strategy na ginagamit ko sa aking manual trading and in terms of prop firm. Okay, ang pinaka-focus talaga niya is gold. Tested ko na talaga siya. And build for gold, yan talaga. Yan yung pinaka-focus niya. And sobrang napakahalaga ng risk management sa kanya because sa prop firm pa lang ay napakahigpit talaga nila. Okay. And ito yung backtest sa kanya. Sobrang nagandahan ako sa backtest sa kanya because kung makita natin dito, yung 2025, yun yung pinaka-crucial month, no, or year. In terms of backtesting sa kanya, nagkaroon tayo ng magandang result, no. Nag-draw down lang tayo using this EA backtesting is 5% lang, ay 3%. And sobrang baba nun, no. And in terms of execution naman, okay, so for backtesting and forward testing, okay, so ito kasi tinaasan ko talaga yung risk nito. Okay? And nag-gain na siya ng almost 150%, no? Ayan, no? 1,000 USD sa deposit na 1,000. So, ito yung PIPS Navigator account natin, high risk. Okay? Then, yung next natin is CFX PIPS Architect. PIPS Architect is built around the concept of plan first, execute second. It helps traders map out institutional style confluence zones and then automates the trade execution according to that plan. The goal is to turn well-designed trade ideas into consistent rule-driven execution. So ito, meron ako ditong um, ginawang strategy or combination ng indicator that ideally natutunan ko in terms of how the institution works, how they trade using dot indicator, and na-design siya guys, no? Actually, this EA, parang isang beses ko pa lang siya pinalitan yung version niya, and the rest, hinayaan ko na lang siya up until now. So, napaka-low-key lang niya, napaka-silent move niya lang, pero sa result niya ay maganda. So, ito yung backtest data niya. Ayan, kung makita ninyo dito, umabot ng 50%, 56% yung drawdown niya. Pero pagdating sa actual, kung makita nyo dito, yung alignment nung ito yung siguro yung drop down niya, no? Nag-umabot ng 50%. Hindi siya totally umabot ng 50% dun sa drawdown setup niya. Yung 50% kasi kaya ito, sobrang napakahalaga na maintindihan nyo talaga to. Yung pag-read ng backtest, itong drop down na to, hindi siya totally nag-drop kung magkano yung capital niya. Sample, nag-capital siya ng 10,000. Nag-drop siya during nag-gain na siya ng at least 76 or $77. $77,000. Ibig sabihin, nag-600% na siya bago siya nag-drop. Okay? So, meron na lang akong mga in-adjust doon na parameters para makuha ko to, no? Itong part na to. And continuously, na-recover naman niya and boom. And pagdating sa forward test natin, ito na siya ngayon. Wait lang. Tama ba? Ayan. 50% yung drawdown niya. Yan, same pa rin. So, absolute kasi siya, no? Absolute drawdown. Ibig sabihin, katulad nung sinasabi ko kanina, realize, no? Nagko-close siya ng madali. Kung makita natin dito yung period na nasa forward test niya, ay umabot siya ng 160%. Ayan, sa part na to. And nag-drop siya dito sa part na to. Ibig sabihin, yung drawdown na to, sa part na yan, ay hindi siya totally yung equity niya. Kasama dun yung profit. Okay, for example, nag-gain na to ng $400 or umabot na siya sa ito, kung nakita nyo dito, yung highest gain niya, no, nag-umabot na ng 590. Ibig sabihin, ayun yung pinaka naging drawdown niya. Sa 50% kasama yung equity plus yung profit. Okay? So, currently, nagkaroon tayo ng mga adjustment dito. Nagkaroon ako ng pagbabago and changes. And hindi ko pala nalagay dito yung latest na version natin, no? Meron tayong latest version ng Pips Architect EA setup natin, which is good. Maganda na yung pinaka naging pag-hold niya ng drawdown niya. Okay? So, next natin is si Pips Engineer. So, si Pips Engineer is built to detect trade setup size position based on the predefined risk, execute orders, and manage exit with discipline. Thinks of it as a trading engineer that follows your rules with precision, helping you remove uh, guesswork while maintaining strong risk control. So, sobrang napakadalang lang mag-trade ng Pips Engineer natin, no? Minsan lang siya mag-trade, pero sobrang napaka-precise ng entry niya and exit. And every time nakita ko yung trade niya, hindi siya araw-araw nagtitrade din, no? Hindi siya madalas nagtitrade. Kung kailan lang siya magkaroon ng good setup, yun lang siya papasok. And ito yung backtest natin sa kanya, medyo malabo lang, sorry. So, umabot siya ng 29% drawdown and yun yung capitalization natin dito is 10,000 USD. So, umabot ng gain siya ng almost ito ay 40,000 USD. Ibig sabihin, almost 400% siya. And currently, ito na yung kanyang forward test, no? So, sa capital niya na 1,000 USD, nag-gain na siya ng 517 and nag-start ito from September 24, 2025 at up until now, no? And kung makikita natin dito yung risk, no, sobrang minimal na lang. Because meron ako ditong ginawang adjustment to improve and adjustment. So, ito pala yung sinasabi ko na isang beses ko lang na-update. Yung Pips Architect kasi natin, yun kasi yung iniisip ko parang yun yung Pips Engineer. Pero ito talaga yung original na isang beses ko lang siya na-update or nag-change ako ng version because of the security, pero yung logic ay hindi ko na siya binago. Ito na talaga siya. Yun na yan. Okay, si CFX pullback naman, no? So, ito naman ay designed para makahanap ng mga pullbacks, especially sa gold. Okay, and FX pairs, no? Na-test ko din na sa FX pairs is working well naman siya sa FX. It looks for retracement within the trend and automates entry, stop, and exit. So, you can systematically trade buy and buy the dip and sell the rally. Concept without chasing price, no? So, ito is more on, andun na yun, pinaka, ano natin dito is yung mga pullbacks, no? So, kung kanina, yung pips breaker natin focuses on the breakout, ito naman, nagpo-focus naman siya sa mga pullbacks. So, backtest natin dito, wala pala akong data ng backtest nito, di ko din mahanap. Pero yung currently on our forward test, okay, nagkaroon ako dito ng series ng changes because of those improvement na kailangan ko pang i-improve. And dito yung pinaka-current niya na date kung kailan ko siya na-adjust, which happened October 24, 2025 at up until sa current date, no? Okay, so, ayan. 18% na din naman siya. Okay, synthetic pips. Ito naman is designed, syempre dun sa synthetic. It's torn for synthetic indices, including, ang pinaka-focus talaga natin dito is yung VIX 75, pero yung ibang mga synthetic ay tinitest ko din para magkaroon tayo ng opportunity, no, sa mga trades natin, no. It focuses on the steady rules based on logic that respect the unique behavior of synthetic market, helping traders approach this instrument with structure and risk awareness. Okay, so yan yung ating mga trade setup dito. So currently, hindi pa to final, no? Hindi ko pa talaga siya nilalabas kasi meron pa akong series of test and adjustments sa kanya. Wala pa tayong malinaw talaga na setup sa kanya or preset, no? And also yung ating crypto pips, no? Meron kasi nag-request sa atin, why not we do EA for crypto, and we tried, no? Pero sobrang napakahirap talaga niya. Medyo challenging siya since hindi naman talaga tayo nagfo-focus sa crypto, and inabutan pa tayo nung pag-drop nung price ng crypto. Kasi yung dinesign ko dito sa crypto is more on pag-hold talaga siya ng position, no? So once nakakuha siya ng lower price or discount, magbabay siya, and ayun. But during the drop, no, hindi siya nakakasabay. So kailangan ko itong i-adjust and magkaroon pa ng observation sa kanya. Okay, CFX conclusion. Conclusion naman ako. So, meron ba kayong questions in regards dun sa ating mga EAs? Clarification? Meron ba kayong questions? Baka meron kayong ano dyan, ha? Inom muna ako. Malinaw ba? Yan kayo guys, na. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag conduct ng seminars and tuloy-tuloy na pagsasalita. Nagpahinga ako for several days din kasi yun nga, no, medyo inuubo ako. And hopefully, ma-deliver ko ng maayos yung ating webinar tonight. Okay, so hopefully clear naman sa lahat. And ito yung inclusion ng each EH natin. So once you purchase an EA, available siya sa MT5 natin. Okay? With a clear and fair license structure. Our goal is to protect the system while giving traders enough flexibility to use its own their main accounts, no, test accounts, and prop firm challenges. Every license includes ongoing EA updates, after sales support for setup and troubleshooting, and access to the CFX community where user can learn, share results, and grow together. So sobrang napakahalaga kasi ng support, guys, no? Kasi one sample na bumitaw ka ng pera tapos wala ka nang mapagtanungan. This I also experience, no? Kaya I don't want to experience na I don't want you to experience that na-experience ko before. I buy an EA before, tapos wala nang after sales since foreigner pa yung nabilhan ko. So wala na. Bahala na ako sa So ngayon, gusto natin magkaroon tayo ng changes dun sa idea na gano'n na after sales wala ka ng support na makukuha. So meron tayong support no dun sa ating community, no. So sa EA na available natin is one of the reason why no nagkaroon tayo ng um structured in terms of licensing yung EA natin. Isa 'yun sa pinaka sobrang importante guys 'no, because if you buy our EA 'no, hindi naman natin gustong mangyari na parang sa labas pala makukuha niyo lang ng libre. So, hindi gano'n yung goal natin 'no. So, we protect our system and intellectual property because hindi naman natin 'to nakuha lang ng isang gabi lang tapos okay na lahat 'no. Pinagpuyatan natin 'to, pinagpaguran, lahat 'to 'no, and effort natin is nandiyan 'no. Yun yung gusto nating ma-value dito. O may tanong dito, ano po yung pinaka-conservative sa kanila? Based on my observation din, ang pinaka-conservative talaga sa kanila ay si Pips Engineer. Yan talaga, yung pinaka-conservative. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng steady na way or approach sa kanya, na EA is, yun yung na-observe ko na pinaka-conservative. Ayan, kung gusto nyo ng medyo aggressive pero moderate lang, nandyan si Pips Breaker natin. Kung gusto nyo na mas precise yung entry niya, and design for prop firm. Nandiyan naman si Pips Navigator EA natin. Kung gusto nyo talaga ng mas aggressive, no, na setup, okay, nandiyan naman si Pips Architect natin. Meron kasi design doon na aggressive settings niya. Okay, so one EA is equivalent to 2 accounts, no? One real account and one for demo. Okay, pwede kayong mag-request, sir, gusto ko muna pong i-test sa demo yung EA bago ako mag-live. So, pwede po yun. Okay? So, another thing is prop firm option. So, once, for example, nag-decide ka to use a prop firm account, meron kang license good for 3 prop firms account. Hindi yung iba't ibang challenges, no? Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na 3 stages, no? Sample, kumuha ka ng 3-phase na challenge, no? Once na napasa mo kasi yung isang challenge, may expired yung account mo, so pwede mong ilipat yung account to new account na i-provide sa'yo. Okay? So, another, pag napasa, and so on and so forth. Up until naging live or funded account na yung account mo, dun na yung pinaka-final na account na or license na ibibigay sa'yo. Okay? Exact number depends on the channel or package taken. So, yan siya. So, ang hindi lang pwede dito ay, for example, kumuha ka ng regular account, tapos ililipat mo, gusto mo naman ilipat sa prop firm, ay hindi po pwede, no? Kung kailangan mo mag-decide, for example, sa prop firm mo lang siya gagamitin, sa prop firm lang. Sa challenge or sa regular account mo lang siya gagamitin, sa regular account mo siya gagamitin. Medyo matrabaho po kasi yung paglipat nung ganung system sa ngayon, no? Pero I hope in the future, mas mapadali natin siya at maging possible siya. Pero as of now, hindi pa. Ang account lock security A is bound to your registered MT5 account numbers. Prevent unauthorized sharing while your license is stable. So, mamaya pag-usapan natin to. Okay, funding requirements. Okay, sa funding requirements naman, to use the CFX EAs effectively, having the right accounts funding is essential. Each EA is designed with a specific minimum capital so that they risk, lot size, and normal drawdown can be managed safely. Our systems includes a smart auto lot sizing features that adjust position size based on the account balance and chosen risk level. So traders don't have to guess their lot size on every trade. Funding is not about over leveraging a small account. It's about giving the enough room to follow the strategy, respect stop losses, and handle market volatility. When traders follow the recommended capital per EA and let the smart auto lock system work with low, medium, or high risk setting, EA can open operate in a more stable and professional way. So, sobrang napakahalaga na i-follow natin yung rules natin in terms of funding saka leverage. Okay? Sa mga EAs natin kasi we can even kahit na-test ko naman no, even kahit $50 yung EAs natin it will run no. Kaya lang magkakaroon ng imbalances. For example, mag-o-overrisk lang siya. Okay? Kasi lalabas dun sa system mo, example, pag kinonect mo siya sa MyFX book, sobrang laki ng potential risk niya, no? Unlike pag nilalakihan natin yung fund, mas bumababa yung risk. The same time, meron siyang room para strategize niya mismo yung kanyang account. Meron kasi mga instances, no, especially sa funded account, na sa sobrang baba ng level ng kanilang leverage. Minsan 330 lang, minsan 50. Unlike dun sa regular account natin na maabot tayo ng 1,000 leverage. So minsan, nagkakaroon ng cancellation ng order o hindi pinapayagan ng prop firm yung account mo na to trade that lot size. No? Instead, nakapasok ka, hindi na-reject yung position mo because of that settings na over risk, no? So kaya much better kung ano yung recommended na lot size natin, ano yung recommended na setups natin, ay i-follow po natin. Especially sa fund recommendation. Sample, binigyan nyo ako ng goal na, suppose gusto kong maka-goal ng at least $500 per day. Okay. Possible naman siya, no? If you will fund enough to reach that level. Sample, mag-reach ka lang ng at least 5% ng account mo, okay? Ang i-reach to get $500, meaning to say, kailangan mo ng at least magkano yon, 50,000 USD para magkaroon ka ng $500 per day na profit. Tama ba ako? Times 5%. Ay, 50,000 times 5%. Okay, 5,000. 10,000 pala, sorry. Kailangan mo ng 10,000 USD no para maka-reach ka ng at least 5% na $500 na gain each day sa account mo. So, ganun yung process on how we calculate the risk, no? Sobrang napakahalaga nun. Alright? So, okay, rules and agreements. Okay. Ito yung sobrang napakahalaga din or importante na kailangan nyo maunawan at maintindihan. By purchasing any CFX MT5EA, ito pala hindi to included. .ex5 lang yung files na available, no? Na marireceive nyo, no? You receive a personal non-transferable license. You are not allowed to share, resell, decompile, or expose the settings, the EA files, no? Settings or strategy to others, no? Violations may result in immediate license termination without refund. Lifetime access promotions apply only to your license at purchase. Future buyers may have different terms. Trading remains your own risk and responsibility. So sabi dito, personal non-transferable yung ating MT5 license. Okay? Lifetime promo applies only to your purchase, no? Meron kasi tayo mga instances na sample, nagkaroon tayo ng promo pero in the future tapos na, no? Okay? No file sharing, reselling, or decompiling. So, hindi pwede po kayo mag-share, mag-resell, and mag-decompile ng ating EA, no? So, trading decision and risk management are your responsibility. So, meron tayong full rules and agreement, no, na ipapasa ko dun po sa ating GC. Basahin po ninyo para mas maunawan at maintindihan ninyo yung do and don'ts ng ating program. Okay? Clear? And hopefully it's clear. So, ito kasi guys, no, ginawa ko tong rules na to is sobrang napaka-importante nito. Especially when we use our EAs in prop firm. So, iniiwasan kasi natin na mag-spread out yung strategy natin and other people can use it without our knowledge, no? Kasi maybe in some or most of the prop firm kasi, ang rules nila in funded account, hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng similar position from entry and exit. Hindi pwede kasi yun. Yun yung isa sa pinaka-iniiwasan natin kung bakit hindi nyo pwedeng i-share, no? As much as possible, nasa control lang natin yung settings natin, yung presets natin. Kasi each EA, no? Each prop firm na nag-use ng ating EA, we have different setup na binibigay ako. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, sa prop firm, meron akong ino-include na preset doon kasi magkakaiba tayo ng exit and entry point. Similar entry, pero si exit is magkakaiba po sila dapat. Okay, no? So, isa sa pinaka-achievement natin during sa period na to is one of our user ng ating EA is naipasa niya, no? Yung ating prop firm challenge, no? Although this is a 3 phases against to, naipasa niya yung phase 1. And possible siya using our EA, no? And sobrang nakaka-proud din as a developer, and we find a way, no, para ma-introduce natin ito from other people and makapag-create tayo ng opportunity sa iba. Kasi imagine nyo, kung sample yung capital nyo talaga is medyo tight lang, $500, $200. So why not i-take nyo muna siya ng challenge and i-leverage nyo yung capitalization na binibigay sa atin na proper. Okay, so ito sa nakapasa sa atin. And also, yung ating prop firm account, kung makikita niyo dito is, ayan, ito nasa challenge din to. Okay, funding pips. Pero naka-withdraw na to eh. Meron kasi sa aking nag-purchase, no, na they passed the challenge, no. They passed the challenge and ginawa nila, nag-purchase sila to continue yung program dun sa account nila. Ay i-connect nila dun sa ating mga EA, no. Ito is Pips Breaker yung ginagamit naman niya. And currently, umabot na sa last update pala nito, no. Hindi ko pa na-update to, November 11 yung pinaka-last niya. Yung mga previous trades niya, maybe nagkaroon pa to ng additional growth dun sa kanyang mga account, no. Umabot na ng 2,600 yung kanyang withdrawable using our Pips Breaker. Okay, 2,639. So, that is around na sa, I guess, kung i-multiply natin siya sa 59 pesos per dollar, is sumabot na siya ng nasa 170 pesos. Okay? So, dito, no, nagbigay ako ng idea dun sa mga tao na gustong i-leverage, no. Kaya kung mapapansin ninyo, yung rate ng ating mga EA is ganun. Kasi imagine mo, kung ganito ka naman magiging monthly, actually, this is, ano lang to, 1 month lang to, is goods na, no? Kung ano yung naging expense mo during sa investment mo dun sa EA, in the future, paulit-ulit mo na lang siyang gagawin. So, right? And continuously, ito, funded na to. Ito, nagkaroon na to ng several withdrawals. Itong account niya na to, nag-gain na siya. So, last update ko sa kanya is 2,124, no? And another Pips Breaker user. And nag-gain naman ito ng 3,418 dollars na. Yun yung gain niya ito. Using the Pips Breaker. And sobrang napakahalaga guys kasi nung risk management, no, especially applying on the prop firm. And ito yung ating mga clients feedback. Ayan. So, pwede nyo siyang i-screenshot, basahin nyo na lang. And na-post ko din naman to sa ating social media. Kung nakita nyo po ninyo, sila po yung mismong nag-create ng message na to. Pinaganda ko lang po yung ating, ba't na doble to, no? So, doble nga to. Hindi ko yung napansin. Mali pala yan. Okay. Ngayon ko lang ngayon nga, doble-doble nga siya, no? Ayusin ko pa siya. So, yan yung mga message nila as an OFW. So, most of the mga nag-purchase ng EA, no, based on sa aking report at data, most of them ay nasa ibang bansa, OFW, seaman. So, mga tao na sobrang busy sa work nila pero gusto nilang mag-trade kasi nakita nila yung opportunity. And maraming way or possibilities na pwede mangyari sa trading. But one thing one thing is for sure, we always apply the proper risk management dun sa account natin. Ayan yung mga feedbacks nila. Ito okay itong ano nito, hindi nagpato. Kay Sir Juni, same thing. Ayusin ko pa pala. Alright, so ito yung mga feedback pa ng iba, ng mga users natin. And gusto ko magpasalamat sa tiwala na pinagkaloob niyo po sa akin. Ayan. And ito, si Sir Will, si Sir Skull, isa din po itong Seaman. Actually, meron mga sa mga clients or mga tao na bumili na ng 5 4 EAs natin at ginagamit nila ito no, from demos, tinetest muna nila, and live. Okay. And about me, no? Okay. As a developer ng CFX EAs, I am Carl Fajardo, full-time trader and EA developer behind the CFX EA development program. I build MT5 system based on real trading experience with a strong focus on risk management, proper style, rules, and tools that helps busy traders automate their strategy the right way. Okay? So I'm also creating others trading strategy to manual trading to uh, manual trading to automated, no? So maybe soon if meron tayong chance na makapagturo on how to develop an EA, okay, ikaw mismo yung magde-develop ng EA mo sa sarili mo. So titingnan ko pa no if I'm qualified to do that. Maybe after siguro 1 year or 2 years, pwede kung meron na talaga tayong napatunayan. And as of now, as a user muna po tayo. Hindi pa tayo guru or teacher ng how to develop. Hindi pa tayo professional to do that. Okay? So, sa tingin niyo in the future, pwede kaya mangyari yon? Gusto niyo bang matuto din kung paano mag-develop ng sarili ninyong EA? Type nga kayo dyan ng yes. If yes, if no, kung ayaw nyo ng sakit ng ulo. Yung kung ayaw yung mapuyat. Hmm. Yes, oh, merong nag-yes, no? Sir Mike, gusto mapuyat. Hindi, pwede yan. So, soon, pwede, baka turo din tayo, no? Okay. So, ito yung isa sa pinaka surprise din natin na ipapakita sa inyo in this presentation. So, sa mga gusto pong maging affiliate din, no? For example, nakapag-invite kayo that someone's under through your way, no? Na-discover niyo yung CFX. Okay, we providing at least 10% ng total um, net ng kanyang purchase ay mapupunta po dun sa mismong nag-invite. So, this is just a token. So, kasi example, you give an effort, nag-provide ka ng information and so on. So, kumbaga, pagbibigay namin ito ng give back para dun sa mga tao na gusto din i-share yung opportunity and then hindi nila namamalayan, they are also rewarded, no? So, this is our CFXEA affiliate program. Rewards active CFX users who shares our tools with other traders. Qualified users earn 10% commission on every successful EA purchase made through their affiliate link, no? So, titingnan ko pa kung gumagana pa yung affiliate link ko or pwede naman directly, one sample galing siya sa'yo, automatic, ikaw na talaga yung magiging ano doon. Okay, only verified EA users signed under IB. Okay, meron dito requirements. So, dapat nakasign po kayo, no? Para tuturuan din namin po kayo how you can leverage also your IB links, no? Sayang naman ito. Count pa ba yan sa akin, coach? Ito na is for the future na to, guys, no? Ito na yung mga after nitong presentation na to, yung mga susunod. Okay? 10% commissions per successful EA purchase. So, okay, no file sharing, no misleading promises, no bashing marketing. Okay? Payouts for confirmed track sales only. So, dapat meron kaming record naman dyan kung kanino ba talaga nanggaling and so on. So, meron tayo ditong agreement na pwede po kayong basahin at pirmahan if you are willing to be part of our CFXE affiliate programs, no? Huwag niyong isipin na mag-invite kayo dito, guys. This is just an optional. Depende sa inyo kung gusto niyong gamitin or gawin. We're just giving back para dun sa mga tao that making efforts, no, na ma-share din yung ating opportunity sa iba. And also, no, yung qualified lang dito, guys, is yung mga tao na meron ng sariling EA na meron na tayo, no? Or part na ng community natin sa program. Okay, hopefully this clear. So, isisend ko na lang yung full copy nito dun sa ating GC para basahin po ninyo if you want to be part of our of this program. Okay? All right. Okay, we have also BPS Ambagan. Okay? BPS or private virtual server is an online computer that runs 24/7. So your MT5 and EAs keeps trading even your computer is turned off. The CFX BPS Ambagan lets CFX users share one high-quality BPS and divide the monthly cost so everyone gets stable 24/7 uptime at a more affordable price. Okay, so ginawa din natin ito para dun sa mga users. Meron kasi akong mga nakita na hindi pa marunong gumamit ng BPS or hindi pa marunong mag-manage as well. So, kaya nagkaroon ako ng idea, what if ito na lang gawin natin, bili tayo ng high-end na computer, online computer. At once, for example, gusto mong magkaroon ng sariling BPS mismo, personally, nag-a-average siya ng 500 to 800 per month, no? Kung ikaw mismo yung bibili. Pero kung sa atin, it will only cost 350 per month. Hindi ka na mag-install ng sarili mo, hindi mo na siya i-monitor every time. Ang monitoring mo na talaga dyan ay sa laptop mo o kaya naman dun sa cellphone mo. Okay, so pag once under ka ng CFX Sambagan, CFX team na po yung magmamanage or yung mag-aasikaso ng pag-install, pag-update ng inyong account, okay, and so on and so forth. So, ayun, yung pinaka main objective and purpose naman ito. Okay, and then another thing, no? Ito yung mga pinaka inaabangan ng lahat. Ito yung madalas kong pinapakita sa ating GC. Okay, ang pangalan ng ating new EA is Pips Doctor. Ayan. So, Pips Doctor is designed to protect the health of your trading account on Forex currency. Using structured rules-based trade and risk management, it focuses on clean entries, controlled stop loss, break-even, trailing logic. So trades are managed according to plan instead of emotion. Pips Doctor is a built for traders who want to system that prioritize protect their profits. Second, while keeping executing consistent and discipline. Okay? So, ang focus nito guys is forex currencies. Okay? Account health focus for forex pairs and prioritizing risk control and clean exit and steady growth. Ideal for forex traders who want risk doctor managing trades automatically while they're focused on strategy. Okay, so ito yung bagong EA natin guys. So I also created our EA. So hopefully maging clear and maganda din yung maging setup natin for upcoming setup ng mga trades nito. No? This is the best start ng ating Pips Doctor because upon my test, upon my forward testing, ay currently, no, meron na lang akong nakikita na mga minor issues and kailangan ayusin at i-fix, no? Para once sample, mai-release na natin siya publicly smooth niyo din siyang magagamit. May question ba kayo dito? About sa range niya ng price ay wala pang clear, no, na right, ay, right rate siya ngayon, no? Wala pa akong na-finalize sa kanya. Pinag-iisipan ko pa. And this EA are qualified only for those people na already owned na, no, ng EA natin, no, from mga previous EAs natin. Sila pa lang yung pwedeng bumili nito, yung mga nakapag-purchase na ng EA natin. Release date, ang pinaka-final ko is possible next week, no? Titignan ko na lang yung magiging adjustment and performance niya. But basically, possible pinaka-release nito ay next week. Tatapusin ko lang tong entire week, no? Para ma-adjust yung setup and so on. And basically, pwede nyo tong i-run next week, no? 15 ng Monday. One sample, naka-purchase kayo. And then, maran nyo siya. And I do recommend na gamitin nyo muna siya for test sa demo. Yun yung pinaka best na paraan para ma-observe nyo kung paano siya gumalaw. Okay? May question pa? Question. Okay, I guess wala naman. And that's all, no? Ginawa lang natin sobrang mabilis yung ating presentation. And pasensya na, medyo nanibago ko sa aking pagbabalik sa pagpipresent ng ating mga ganitong presentation. And I hope na-deliver ko naman sa inyo at naunawaan at naintindihan nyo yung ating presentation. And I would like to thank you all, no, for your attention. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the CFX development program. I appreciate your trust, your support, and your interest in building a more disciplined, professional approach to trading. If you have any questions about our EAs, funding requirements, or how to get started, feel free to reach out to us or connect with the CFX community. Call us the number of 0908-910-4607. The email us cfxaprogram@gmail.com. Okay, this is Carl FX. You can trade with me with our CFX automated system. Okay, if you have any question guys, pwede po kayo mag-raise ng hands, you can unmute, or pwede kayo mag-chat. Sobrang mabilis bilang ba tayo or matagal? Yung dati mga webinar ko, maabot ako ng 3 hours eh. So, binilisan ko na lang ano, para hindi sobrang overload yung ating discussion. And I hope i-deliver ko naman po sa inyo, no? Kung meron pa po kayong questions, clarifications, para po makapag-decide kayo to how to you can start, you can PM me from our social media account sa Carl FX page or dun sa aking email or sa aking number. So, available naman po yan lahat. And gusto ko na lang din, no, para makapag-ano tayo. Maybe, nakakita na din ako dito ng users natin, no. One of our users na pwede nating hingan ng feedback kumusta yung naging experience niya sa paggamit ng ating EA. Pwede ba, sir? Pwede ba si... Meron palang dalawa. Tatlo pala, no? Yung iba siguro, sobrang busy. Nag-request na lang ng recordings. Pwede po ba kayo mag-share, Sir EJ or si Ma'am Lynn or si Sir Michael? Ay, si Sir Michael, parang hindi pa niya na-install yung sa kanya, eh, 'no? Di mo pa, sir, na-install yung Pips Engineer mo, no? Sir AJ na lang, tanungin natin. Kumusta, Sir AJ? Pwede kayo maka-unmute? Shy. Hindi pa, Monday, sir. Salamat. Okay. Funds na lang ni sir, no? Nakuha niya yung promo. Maganda, nakuha na yung promo, eh. Mga nakahabol lang promo. Mayan po ako, but so far everything are great for me. Okay, sige, sige. Thank you so much, guys. Mga shy type, eh. Like sanabi, napasa na yung first space ko. Congratulations. Okay, guys, maraming maraming salamat, and I appreciate your time and effort, no, attending this night. And this video pala is recorded, and gusto ko na lang din itong i-share dun sa mga taong willing din na matuto or mapakinggan yung ating presentation. That's why even kahit medyo napapaos pa ako, eh, tinuloy ko na, no, kasi marami na nag-aantay, no, about dito sa presentation natin or sa orientation natin. And I hope this is clear, no? Kung meron pa tayong naliban or na kalimutan, ay hopefully masagot natin siya sa chat na lang. And kung sample is hindi pa po kayo, no, sa mga makakapanood po ng video na ito for the future, um, mag-join po kayo dun sa ating community. Meron tayong CFX EA General. Dun po ako madalas nag-update para dun sa mga interested na bumili. If meron pa po kayong mga questions at clarification, pumasok lang po kayo dun sa ating GC para po magkaroon po kayo ng updates every day. Madalas po ako nag-updates doon para magkaroon po kayo ng clarity kung paano po kayo makakapag-start. So, yun lang, guys, and good evening. Salamat at maraming maraming thank you. Peace!